Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to see a question where we are finding the angle between the following pairs of lines. So here we have two bits a 1 and 2, but I would be solving the first bit, and the second bit would be requested you to please comment in the comment section. So the first question is r vector is equal to 2 I cap minus 5j cap plus 6k cap plus lambda 3 I cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap, and r vector is equal to 7 I cap minus 6k cap plus mu I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. So now let us consider the theta be the angle between the given lines. If theta is the acute angle between r vector a1 vector plus lambda b1 vector and r vector a2 vector plus mu b2 vector, so cos theta will be equal to module b1 vector b2 vector by module b1 vector module b2 vector, so and the whole module. So let us take it as equation 1. Now from the question we know the values of b1 vector and b2 vector as shown in the video. So cos theta will be equal to 3 I cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap into I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap by module 3 I cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap into module I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. So the whole module again. So let us take it as equation number 2. Now we know that module a I cap plus bj cap plus ck cap is equal to root over a square plus b square plus 6c square. So after substituting all the values, the first the b1 vector and the b2 vector, after substituting the b1 vector I will get it as 7, and after substituting the b2 vector I will get it as 3. The b2 vector and the b1 vector is substituted here, I mean the values. So that is 3 2 6 and 1 2 and 2. So root over 3 square plus 2 square plus 6 square is equal to 7, and root over 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 3. Now therefore we know that a1 I cap plus b1 j cap plus c1 k cap into a2 I cap plus b2 j cap plus c2 k cap is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2. Now again by substituting all the values, again this is the first part is b1 vector and the second part is b2 vector, I mean the values. So after substituting we will get it as 19. Now by equation 2, cos theta is equal to 19 by 21. So theta is equal to cos inverse 19 by 21. So by multiplying b1 vector and a1 vector we will get it as 19. So that is 3 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 6 into 2. So only the values are being multiplied, that is a1 into a2, b1 into b2 and c1 into c2. So all these are multiplied and added up, so we'll get it as 19. So cos theta is equal to again 19 by 21. So theta is equal to cos inverse 19 by 21. So that is it for this video, and if you like my video please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment the second question, and please do comment it in the box, and please do let me know if you have any other doubts. Thank you, bye bye, have a nice day.